Okay, Elise, this way. This way, sweetie. Left. Great job. Okay. Up, up, up. Down, 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 down here. Down here. You ready? We're gonna go down here. And it's a bowl. So use the sides of the mountain, okay?
Yeah, I did this with Mama.
I know, you did this with Mommy, so you can do it now. Okay, we got 1 skier, 2 skiers. Right. Let them go first. Right, now it's your turn. Go, 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 go. Woohoo! Pole skiing with Lacey June. Okay, hold on. Let's go, dude. Send it. Woohoo! Yeah, dude. That was awesome. Oh my goodness, dude. Great job. That was so cool. You just dropped that, dude. Wow. All right, let's get up.
I knew there was a rock here.
Woo!
I knew there was a rock.
That was huge.
Hey, Daddy.
That was awesome. Okay, less wedges, more French fries. Yes. Yeah, you get all the French fries today. Okay, less wedges, more French fries. Here, head over to the right. There you go, out here in the sun. You don't need to be skiing in the shade. All right, let's go a little faster. You got this. Down, down, down. All right, let's keep going, sweetie. We just have Ethan waiting for us. Let's go. Less wedges. More Frenchy fries. Yep, to the left. Ethan! Speed, speed, speed. No wedge, no wedge, no turn. Just speed. Pure speed. Woohoo!